Hello students, today we will be talking about working of a AC generator. I am Faculty of Science at Lotus Petal, Gurugram. Electrical generator is a device which converts the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. We will be discussing about it in detail. So, who was the inventor of this generator? It was Michael Faraday who gave this idea of generator. That is, he gave the concept of electromagnetic induction on which the AC works. An electric generator is a device in which mechanical energy is converted to the electrical energy. And how it is converted is that when we rotate a conductor in an area of magnetic field, it generates a current. The electric generator is based on the phenomena of electromagnetic induction, that is, current is induced when the magnetic coil rotates. We can use Fleming's right hand rule to find out the direction of the current. The parts of a generator, it consists of permanent magnets, a galvanometer which detects the presence of current, a rotating rectangular coil, rings, carbon brushes and axle. Now let's see how does this AC generator works. As you can see in the diagram, when the axle attached to the rings represented by R1 and R2 is rotated such that one arm moves up and the other arm moves down in the magnetic field produced by permanent magnet. Now by applying Fleming's right hand rule, the induced current are set up in this arm along the direction. So an induced current flows through the direction of ABCD. After a half rotation, arm CD starts moving up and AB moving down. As a result, the direction of the induced current in both arms changes, giving rise to net induced current. So what is this AC current? The current which can change its direction is called AC current. We can see in the diagram that it is covering both the cycle in positive direction and negative direction. Do you know? Electricity supply to our homes, school buildings, company buildings, etc. is AC, which reverses its direction after every second with a frequency of 50 Hz. Most power stations in the world generate AC than DC. This is because AC can be transmitted over very long distances without much loss of energy, whereas DC loses energy whenever we try to transmit it over long distances. Thank you.